Hey, hey, hey! Is that lame? Hey, it's Megan to say hello, mama. And guys, whew, I've said it. I said it the other week. I am very pregnant now. I am 36 weeks pregnant. Check it. Check it. You can't see. Hold on. Very pregnant now. And so it was time to stop messing around. 36 weeks means I'm probably having a baby in about 3 weeks. My babies have each come a week early, so that's kind of what I'm thinking. Of course, this baby could do whatever he wants, but we're hoping he does not go overdue. That's like my worst fear. C-section fear and then being overdue fear. We're gonna try to avoid both of those, and we are already prepared. Check it out. This is the Lorie in Camel. I've added this cute little scarf from Madewell. This got shared on Lily Jade's Instagram and a bunch of you thought that was really cute. So go grab yourself one if you're into the scarf look. I think it's really darling, especially on this bag, the Lorie. Woohoo! I have the Lorie packed up right now as my newborn son's hospital bag. Now I'm also going to show the Lorie in the future packed up for 3 kids, like as a diaper bag, and I'm so excited to share it with you. In the unboxing video for this bag, which I will link in the description box below, I did mention that I thought I would pack up this bag as my son's newborn hospital bag without the insert. Now I have chosen to do it with the insert, which is funny because I've been carrying the bag as a diaper bag, as a pouch packed bag. Because of all of the little socks and mittens and stuff like that, I found that packing it without the insert was going to require a lot of different pouches and just might like get really confusing if I'm not the one looking in the bag. Like if I need my husband to be like, hey, grab a pair of socks for the new baby, so cute, then I'm gonna want him to be able to just like look in and see and find and not be worried about which pouch has what in it, if I can even remember my own name after, you know, giving birth. What I'm gonna do is move the camera over, and I am gonna tip it up so you can see inside the insert and what I have packed for the little baby boy that's coming to us in like a month. Woo! We'll just start in this front magnetic pocket here, which is one of my absolute favorite pockets on a Lily Jade bag. I love magnetic slip pockets. And in this one, I've just put a chapstick because even though I'll have my own bag for that kind of thing, you can never have too much chapstick, right? On the back of the Lorie is this gorgeous long zipper pocket, but right now I don't have anything in here, but I think this will be a really good spot to put some of the different papers they hand me, all that kind of stuff. It's just nice to have a little bit of extra space right there. On the back here is where I should mention it does have the D-rings so that you can turn this bag into a backpack style bag if you wanted to. Let's open it up. It's got this great long zipper here and the gorgeous teal lining. The Jade signature lining with the camel is one of my favorite combinations. You can see that although the Lorie does not come with the insert itself fits perfectly in the Lorie, and like it was zipped up, no problem. I think it actually fits amazingly well in here. Now when I plan to use this as a diaper bag on the go, I will have something in this pocket, I'm sure, and in this front pocket, but for today I just have a hand sanitizer tucked into where like I would normally keep my sunglasses. And I think I'm gonna leave the insert in here and just unpack around it. So in the back pocket here, I've just stuck a couple of newborn diapers. Can you believe how small they are? It's forever shocking to me that babies come out this size. I'll just keep going around the outside. In this back pocket here, I have stuck, this is an Aiden and I's bib, but it's also a Burp Cloth. I just find these really useful. They're good for everything, of course, but the star print I think is really darling. I'm going with like a simple kind of gray and white theme for the hospital, if that's even a thing that one can have as a theme for the hospital, but whatever, that's what I'm doing. So this goes in this little pocket back here. In these 2 side pockets, I've stuck 2 of the Aiden and I muslin blankets just for swaddling and for keeping the little guy warm at the hospital. This one has the same star print and this one is the polka dot print. I think they're really darling. And now this striped one here looks just like another blanket, but this is actually a covered goods multi-use nursing cover and is just a really pretty print, first of all, and also will be my car seat cover. And if somebody were to like visit at the hospital and I felt like I wanted to use it as a nursing cover, I can of course use it that way. As an extra blanket, it's helpful, just a really good product, tons of uses. And I have a whole video actually dedicated to the many uses of covered goods, so I will link that in the description box below if you haven't seen one of these, or if you think like, oh, I have one, what else could I be using it for? All of that information is in that other video, so I will link that too. In this orange pouch here, this is a really old Vera Bradley pouch, but I thought the orange was cute with the teal. That's just a whole different thing. So what I have in here is a couple of different pacifiers and then a couple of medical little things like the little hairbrush and the little nose thing. I don't know what that's called. And then my kids usually have really long fingernails, so this might be good in case he does. And all of that fits in there really nicely and is easy to find because pacifiers should always be easy to find. Okay, maybe you're wondering, what's that giant blue thing in the middle? This is my Wild Bird Sling, and it is this gorgeous teal color. You can see it has like 2 different colors going on, the green and the blue. And I've never brought a baby carrier of any kind to the hospital with me for my other 2 children, but sometimes you want to hold your baby, but you also want to eat, even in the hospital. So I thought this would be nice to have just for a little bit of extra comfort for him and for me. I'm really excited to use it, so I thought I would bring it along and get him used to it early. The rest of what's in here is pretty typical. I have a couple of extra onesies and clothes. I'm not really fussy in the hospital. I don't mind if he wears like just a little shirt the hospital gives him for a while, but sometimes it does get a little bit cold, so I just wanted to have a couple of options, and these are the ones always that have the little mittens on the hands, which is nice. I also have packed 2 little hats. This one is Darling, but old from Gap. I bought it with my first little boy, so I'm excited to put it on this little one as well. And then also just like this cute little white and gray hat. This is from Candy Kirby. I'll link to what she has available now in the description box too. In this stretchy pocket here, I've just thrown in a couple of pairs of socks, the little comfy ones. They're so cute and tiny. Let's see them. So tiny, can you believe it? And then in that same pocket, but just on the other side, I have little mittens in case I just have him stay in the hospital's little shirt, but wanted to have a little something on his hands. What do we have left? In this zipper pocket here, I've thrown a pack of pacifier wipes. One of the first things my son did when he visited my little girl, who's 2 years younger than him as well, was take her passy out and put it directly in his mouth. So that memory has stuck with me, and I thought, you know, let's just throw those in there in case that happens again with my daughter and now my newborn son. Wouldn't that be funny if they did like the exact same thing? I'm sure she won't. She's not really that kind of kid, but anyway, I have that memory from the hospital from last time, so I thought I'd just throw those in there. The insert is basically empty at this point, but the last thing in the middle here is the little outfit that both of my kids, my little girl and my little boy, have both come home from the hospital in. It's just like an ivory little outfit with a little bear on it. I think it's so sweet, and it's very soft, and it's just really darling. So I'm excited to bring baby boy home in this. Again, I can't believe that's coming up. I'll give you a look at the Lorie without anything inside. You saw how well that insert fits in it, but this bag does have a lot of good room inside. Without the insert, of course, you can use it this way as well, which is how I've used it. Packing it with pouches also works really well. So you really have your options when it comes to using a lifestyle bag like this one from Lily Jade. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was fun for you to see what I'm excited about bringing to the hospital for a sweet new baby that's coming. And hopefully it helps you if you're a first-time mom. I'm a third-time mom with this baby, so I think I mostly have it down. But if you're a first-time mom, hopefully this helps you see what you may need or what you may want in the hospital for your new little bundle. That's a funny way to say that. Your new baby, whatever, baby bundle, bundle of joy, all those things. I'll be including shopping links for, if I can find this exact scarf, I'll link to it. If not, I'll link to something similar, and the bag itself from Lily Jade. Again, this is the Lorie in camel. It's gorgeous, it smells great, and it's a really, really good size. So thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Remember, I've got a couple more videos featuring this bag coming to you, so check back soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.